In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add consent information to a Hubspot form or pop-up form. Let's start with a regular form that you've already created in Hubspot. First, you'll want to open the form editor. In your Hubspot account, go up to the main navigation and hover over Marketing, then click on Forms. This is where all of your existing forms are listed. Find the form you want to add consent information to and click on its name to open it in the editor. Once the editor is open, you'll see your form preview in the center and the available fields in a panel on the left. To add consent information, you'll need to add a specific field that Hubspot provides. In the left panel, look for the option to add a new field, usually shown as a plus or add icon. Click that, then look for the category called Other. Inside that category, you'll find a field labeled Data Privacy. Click and drag the Data Privacy field from the left panel onto your form preview. You can place it toward the bottom of the form, typically just above the Submit button, so that visitors see it right before they send their information. Once it's in place, click on that field in the form preview to open its settings. In the settings for data privacy, you'll see a section called Data Privacy Options. This is where you decide how you want to collect consent. Hubspot gives you three main approaches. The first is implicit consent. With this option, you're telling users that by clicking the Submit button, they agree to have their data processed. There's no checkbox. The act of submitting the form is the consent. The second option is explicit consent. Here, visitors must actively check a box to allow data processing before they can submit the form. This is a stronger, more visible form of consent and is often preferred when you want to be very clear about permissions, especially if you're working under stricter privacy regulations. The third option is legitimate interest. This displays a notice explaining that you'll contact them about your products or services, but that they can unsubscribe at any time. It's useful when your communication is tied closely to what they're signing up for. After you've selected the option that best fits your legal and marketing needs, review the wording to make sure it matches your policies. When everything looks good, go to the top right of the editor and click Update or Publish. That saves your changes and pushes the updated consent information live on your form.